time to speak. I'm going to talk to you without speaking. So see what letters these are. Okay?
Okay.
I'll go get some ladders.
Some letters?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be right back.
So it's April 1st, 2007.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, am I supposed to say what letter that is?
No.
No? What am I doing then? Are you just showing it to me?
Yeah. No. You, without speaking, I mean, that.
So I say,
Right.
is this like the game we were playing the other day, Micah?
Yeah. You're supposed to say it without speaking.
I did.
Yeah.
I can't see it. You gotta hold it in a different part. I can't tell what letter it is.
It's a Q.
Oh, you told me.
There. Now I spelled Qua.
You
No.
spelled what?
You're good at this school. Okay. And after we do the letters, it's time for speaking. I mean, do you see?
Thank you.
After this one, these ones. Now, after this one, it's time for speech. Now it's time for speaking.
Yay!
This time. You just talk to me.
Okay.
You just talk to me. I'll call